Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Pandu Ahmad Maulana, NRP 0518040001. I am from class Safety Engineering SIG A. I will present the result of my work on safety education. Safety education is the teaching of specific knowledge, skill, and understanding that children need in order to stay safe in a given situation. The definition of safety. Safety has a meaning in two things, namely philosophy and science. The first, philosophy. The philosophy is a thought and effort to ensure the integrity and perfection of the body and spirit of the workforce in particular, and of humans in general, as well as the work and culture to lead to a just and prosperous society. The second, the science is all knowledge and its application to prevent occupational accident, occupational disease, fires, explosion, and environmental pollution. This is the legal basis for application of safety in the workplace. There are three rules. The first, law number 1 of 1970 concerning work safety. This regulation contains about the place where work is carried out for abusiveness. There is a workforce working there. There is a work hazard in that place. The second is Permenaker number 1 of 1996 concerning safety management system. This regulation contains about every company that employs 100 workers or more, and or that contains potential hazard caused by the characteristic of the production process or material that can result in work accidents such as explosion, fire, environmental pollution, and occupational disease. Third is Permenaker number 4 of 1987 concerning the Committee for Occupational Safety and Health. This regulation contains about workplace where employers or manager employ 100 or more people, a workplace where employers employ less than 100 people but use material, process, and installation that pose a high risk of explosion, fire, poisoning, and radioactive contamination. Next, safety purpose. Based on law number 1 of 1970 concerning work safety is first, protect and ensure the safety of all workers and others in the workplace. The second, ensure that every production source can be used safely and efficiently. The third, improve national welfare and productivity. This incident of safety, the definition is occupational events where injury, occupational disease, or death, or including incident or emergency, can occur. The work accident is incident that cause injury, occupational disease, or death. The near miss or almost wretched is incident that did not cause injury, occupational disease, or death. This cause of work accidents. 5. There are 5 causes of work accidents. The first, basic cause. Basic cause like lack of procedure or rules, lack of mean, lack of consciousness, lack of compliance. The second indirect cause like job factor, personal factor, and others. The third direct cause. Direct cause is like unsafe action or unsafe condition. The fourth work accident like contact with hazard, failure, and others. The fifth disadvantage like human is injury, poisoning, disability, and other. Then machine or tool damage, material contaminate, damage, violate, and products. And the last is environment like pollute, damage, natural disease, like this. The next work accident prevention effort. There are 3 work accident prevention efforts. The first, workplace hazard identification and control, like unsafe condition monitoring, unsafe action monitoring, like this. The second, guidance and supervision, like training and education, counseling and consulting, resource development, and other. The third is management system like procedures and rules, prevention of facilities and infrastructure, awards and sanction, and other. The next is hazard of safety. The definition hazard of safety is all sorts situation or activities that have the potential to cause occupational injury and or disease. The source is human, machine, material, method, or environment. The type is action or condition. The factor is biology, chemical, physical, or mechanical, biomechanic, psychology, or social. Biology like virus, fungi, plants, or other. Chemical like liquid, gas, vapor, and other. Physical or mechanical like attitude, contraction, machine, tool, and other. And biomechanic like repetitive movement, work posture, or position. In psychology or social like stress, violence, harassment, exclusion, and other. This is control of safety. There are 5 hierarchies of control in safety culture. The first, elimination. The elimination is like elimination of harm. The substitution like safer tool, machine, material, workplace change. The design like safer tool, machine, workplace modification. The administration is procedure, rules, training, work duration, hazard sign, poster, or label. The last is personal protective equipment. Like providing personal protective equipment to workers. This occupational illness, mandatory equipment that is used when working in accordance with work hazard and risk to maintain the safety of the workforce itself and others in the workplace. The next, personal protective equipment. The definition of personal protective equipment is health problem, both physical and spiritual, which are caused and or exacerbated due to work activities or work-related conditions. The example is anthrax, silicosis, asbestosis, low back pain, white finger syndrome, and other. The causative factor like biology, chemical, physical, biomedic, all other. The prevention is periodic health checkup, special health examination, health service, intervention, or facilities and infrastructure. These are quotes about safety education. Don't think that if an accident has not happened, then an accident will never happen. Thank you for your attention. I apologize if there is a word wrong. May you stay in safety and healthy while working in the field. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.